Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Engku Amir bin ZAINAL ABIIN, number metric 34DDT 20F2011. Today, I and my teammate will explain about our application that based on our problem-based task 1. Okay, I will explain about introduction and the purpose. Okay, this application is designed to provide user with a range of information related to Polytechnic. Some of the key features include a calendar of event, a list of course offer, and detailed information about each of the course available at Polytechnic. The aim of the application is to make it easier for new semester students who are planning to enroll at Polytechnic to access important information in advance. By doing so, students can make early preparation for their studies, which can help to ensure a smoother transition into their academic program. Overall, the application serves as a useful tool for anyone who is interested in learning more about Polytechnic and its academic offering, and can be particularly valuable for students who are just starting out on their educational journey. Okay, next, I will pass to my teammate for another explanation.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera and very good evening. My name is MUHAMAD SHAHIRUL bin Muhammad ISMAIL and my metric number is 4DDT20F2050. Thanks to Engku for the before explanation. And today, right now, I will continue for the widgets explanation for our project. In our project, we also use widget. So the widget function is for to make sure that we can interact to other activity. So this is for Android manifest.sml, and then this is for interface. So our widget we use is a button to interact from this page to the other page, and also for the other activity. So based on the code here for the course.java, we only have one widget, which is for button lah. So this button will when we click the course.available at the main activity.java, course available, and then it will go to the course.java, and then at here we have button 2 for back button. So when the button click, it will back to the home page again. Okay, so for the next part is a button takwim, which is at the main activity.java. Okay, so you can see button takwim is a button that open a web page when we click it to download the calendar of the takwim Polytechnic. Okay, so the button will open a web page when we click. When the button is clicked, an intent is created with the action view, and then a URL object with the URL of the web will when the button was clicked, it will go to this link, and then finally the start activity method is called to start the activity that can handle the action view intent. Okay. So for the last is for the button 1, which is for represent to the pouch.mk. This button is the same function like course available button, so it will interact to the other activity. When we click it, like it will use intent. Okay, so that's all for widget explanation from me. Thank you very much. Selamat Hari Raya.
Okay, my name is ZULKIFLI. My metric number 34DT20F2012. So today I want to present about layout this app. So here, as you can see, at the first is image, and at the bottom is three button. The first button is about JTMK. So here, as you can see, the layout width and the layout height of button JTMK are set wrap content. As you can see, wrap content. So the button position is set by using constraint. The app's layout constraint start of attribute sets the button starting point to the start of parent elements. The app's layout constraint end to end of attribute sets the button ending point to end of parent element, which means the button will be flushed with the right edge of a parent element. So overall, the constraint is ensure that the button is positioned in the correct location on the screen relative to other UI elements. So the next button is course available. So here, the button 2 same as button 1 and add one layout margin button. So here, as you can see, the layout margin button. Okay, here. So layout, this code sets the margin bottom of a UI elements to be 340 density independence pixel from the bottom of the parent's layout. It can be used to adjust the vertical position of the element within its constraints. So next is button 3. So button 3 same is button 1. So button 3 is text Takwin Politeknik. So here, as you can see, image view. So this code creates an image view elements with a width of 335 density independence. So here, as you can see, so and the height of and layout height is 180 density. It also sets the margin top of the element to be 16 dp from the top of parent's layout. So this image source is set as variable image Politeknik. So as you can see here, variable image Politeknik. So you must do same name to call here, to call picture, to call image here, same name at the variable. So, you can see image underscore Politeknik. So this is a main page of apps of this apps. Okay, at the next layout is course available. So add course layout course available, as you can see here, image, and here is text. So first is image view. The space image This picture is also the same description based on the main page I presented. So the next is tab view. This code defines a text view elements that display information about available program. The text is using the Android text attribute with the characters used to create new lines. The Android text style attribute is also too bold to make the text stand out. The app's layout constraint attribute are used to position the element on the screen. With the app's layout constraints, top to bottom of attribute setting the top constraint to the banner element, and the app's layout constraint bottom to top of attribute setting the bottom constraint to button to element. The app's layout constraint start off layout to start off, and app's layout constraint end to end of attribute ensure that the element is centered horizontally on the screen. So here, as you can see, at the back button, so if you click here, if you click at back button, so you can go at main page. Okay, the next layout is about JTMK. So here, as you can see about JTMK, so first layout is image view, and second is tab view. So first, image view also the same description based on cost available page I presented, and the text view also same description based on cost available I presented. The last, button back. So if you click button back, you can go to the main page. Okay, I think that from me. Thank you.